The banking sector has historically been conservative. I'm choosing my words carefully. So the banking sector has historically been conservative, erring on the side of risk aversion, which is not necessarily a bad thing because we want strong banks and strong balance sheets and we want them to maintain good quality portfolios. But there is room, I believe, for the banking sector to be more aggressive in relation to lending to the Guyanese private sector. And one of the conversations that we've been having with them is what they can do and what we need to do to enable them to be more aggressive. Now, there are some things we can do on the policy side. So, for example, we enacted legislation that specifically allows movable collateral to be accepted as security for loans. We enacted, that legislation is in force right now. We've been working with the sector as well to enable them to be able to do more, to accept more financial assets like receivables that can be pledged, invoices that can be factored or discounted, which is standard technology in more sophisticated banking systems. And some banks are doing this. I'm very pleased to see some banks responding to this environment. So we've made sure that the relevant laws are in place. And we want to see more take-up of this. So the legal framework is in place. The banks now need to respond to that legal framework, legal and regulatory framework, and step out a little bit from their historic comfort zone, which is almost risk-free lending, lending secured by real estate. It's happening, but it's not happening as quickly as we would like to see it happen. I think it's going to happen. And it's something that we have on the radar to be elevated in the list of priorities over the next 5 years.